This is Michael. Michael's website is an amazing place where his potential guests can find the perfect vacation rental quickly. His owners can log onto the owner's extranet and see their statements, maintenance work orders, and can even reserve their own property for themselves or a friend. Michael's existing guests can log on and get updated information on their reservation, things to do in the area, and the latest specials at their favorite places. And it doesn't matter where they are, at work, on their computer, at home on their tablet, or on their commute with their smartphone. Michael's Book Easy website works on all these devices. He couldn't be happier. So why does he look concerned? He wants to make sure that his brand new VRM Book Easy website is a safe and secure environment for his guests, potential guests, and owners. VRM software has kept Michael up to date with the latest technologies, like his website. Michael knows that the internet has created many opportunities for vacation rental managers to conduct online business. However, that growth has also attracted hackers and cyber criminals. Michael's not sure what he needs to do to keep the cyber criminals from stealing his guests and owners' personal data, like account info and credit card numbers. He knows if his guests and owners don't feel safe on his site, they won't want to do business with him anymore. Well, he's heard of SSL certificates, but what are they exactly, and how does it help him? An SSL secure certificate is kind of like an identification card that can let Michael's guests and owners know that his site is secure. In addition to the identification element, an SSL certificate also encrypts the data that flows to and from his site, as well as his VRM vacation rental software platform, keeping it secure from the cyber criminals. VRM software works with the leading SSL certificate authorities to manage, create, and install Michael's SSL certificate for his website. Well, this is good news for Michael, but he still doesn't understand how SSL certificates work exactly. Well, let's say Jane is looking for the perfect vacation rental property for their vacation. There are two devices involved with this transaction: the VRM servers, where Michael is hosting his website, and the tablet that Jane is using at home to browse Michael's site. When Jane has found that perfect vacation rental and is ready to book the property, Jane's tablet and Michael's website make a secure connection where the certificate is validated and a handshake is made. The encryption is also established, creating the secure connection for passing data back and forth. Depending on which certificate Michael decides to purchase, Jane will see that her data is safe with the same kind of symbol, such as a padlock image, green bar, or other icon. She continues to book her dream vacation rental property with ease and peace of mind. This knowledge puts Michael's mind at ease as well. He knows that one of the key ingredients to growing his business and retaining both guest and owner loyalty is to have an attractive, easy-to-use, secure website. He understands his guests, potential guests, and owners need to know their data is going to be safe when they choose to send or access information through his website. Michael has VRM software, the system. He can manage and market his vacation rental company using the entire VRM software platform, and now he knows he can do it safely and securely with the SSL certifications VRM helps provide. Front to back, feature for feature, the finest management system in the industry today. If you would like more information about this Book Easy websites or any other area of the VRM platform, contact us at www.virtualresortmanager.com or call us at 866-849-0817.